Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you can't join multiplayer games or sessions on your Xbox Series X. This could be because a simple setting got switched around in your privacy settings, and this is allow multiplayer. So on our Xbox Series X home screen, let's go to setting, let's go to general, and then just double check this. So we want to go to online safety and family now, then go to privacy and online safety. Then go to Xbox privacy. Then under here, we can go to custom. So you might have like set to child or something like that where it's completely locked down, but we can go to view details and customize. Go to communication and multiplayer right here. And then select it. And the first option is you can join multiplayer games. I don't know why this is a setting, but play games with others in Xbox multiplayer. This does not enable communication. So if you want to have multiplayer on, make sure that says allow. Then we have you can join cross-network play. Decide whether to allow or block multiplayer gaming with players on other gaming services outside of Xbox. So if you want to have crossplay turn on or off. Now you might have crossplay turned off and you're not able to find a match. So this could be the reason why multiplayer isn't working. Just come back to this section and allow that. Most of the time, people don't have this setting turned off, so you will never find a non-crossplay lobby. Others can communicate with you, and then you can go through here. Well, hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech reviews coming up next on Your Six Tech.